Good morning, Standard Third. This is Vibhuti teacher. Today we are going to learn our last chapter, that is the calendar. Now you have seen calendar in your houses. Calendars are of very much types, that are Gregorian calendar, that is your traditional calendar, your regional calendar, etc. So what does the calendar mean? So, what is the role of calendar in your life? Now, number one, calendar is the record of all the dates and day of a year. It shows the months, weeks and the days in the year. मतलब कि अगर आपको कोई फेस्टिवल के बारे में जानना है कि वेन इज़ योर गणेश उत्सव और वेन इज़ योर दिवाली, you will go towards your calendar and find out with the help of the calendar when is your Diwali or Ganesh Utsav. So it also finds that on which day that particular dates come, or on that day which which day of the week comes. So in the yellow box there has been written calendar tells us what, मतलब हमें कैलेंडर की वजह से क्या क्या पता चलता है. नाउ मेजर इवेंट्स ड्यूरिंग अ ईयर, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको कहा कि व्हाट द मेजर इवेंट्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर कम, you can be known with the help of the calendar. For example, Diwali. Now Holi is coming, so you can find out on which date Holi is coming. Number of working days. Now, as you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are your weekdays, and Saturday, Sunday is your weekend. So, in some of the offices, Monday to Friday are the working days, and Saturday, Sunday are your वीकेंड. दैट इज़ आपको जैसे स्कूल को छुट्टी होती है वैसे आपके पापा को शायद से वीकेंड पे छुट्टी होगी. और सम ऑफ द ऑफिसेस हैव मंडे टू सैटरडे वर्किंग डेज एंड संडे इज योर रेस्ट डे और योर हॉलीडे. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड पॉइंट इज द नंबर ऑफ हॉलीडेज. नाउ नंबर ऑफ हॉलीडेज मतलब सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल संडे इज holiday for majority of us, and also if there is a national holiday or state holiday or any emergency holiday, there has been written on your calendar, mentioned with a red mark that this day is your holiday. Now fourth is the days and dates of each month. Of course, जैसे मैंने कहा कि कौन से डेट पे कौन सा डे आ रहा है और कौन से डे पर विच डेट इज कमिंग, दैट इज नोन विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलेंडर. ओके, सो बिसाइड दिस नोट आपको जनवरी 2020 का कैलेंडर दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो देयर हैज़ बिन डेट्स गिवन and Sunday dates are mentioned by red color. Next is your the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar means your normal जो English, that is the British calendar, is known as your Gregorian calendar. That is from January to December. These are your months of the year. So these days are called as Gregorian, and the calendar is known as the Gregorian calendar. Now the Gregorian calendar has 12 months, 52 weeks and typically has 365 days. जैसे हम नॉर्मल जो हमारा इंग्लिश कैलेंडर होता है उसको हम ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर बोलते हैं. द ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर हैज़ 12 months, 52 weeks and typically 365 days. So 365 days, this you have to remember, girls, remember students. Now months of a year. So as you know from primary from junior KG you have been learning months of the year. So number first month is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are your months of a year. So there are 12 months in a year. And next is there are 7 months in a year which have 31st days each. Now, if you look in that table, how many months have 31 days? That is January have 31 days, then March have 31 days, May have 31 days, July have 31 days, August have 31 days, October have 31 days, and December have 31 days. That means you have 7 months in a year which are having 31 days in that month. Next is there are 4 months in a year which have 30 days. Now look at the table again. Which months are having 30 days? 30 days in your calendar. That is April. Starting with April have 30 days. June have 30 days. September have 30 days, and November have 30 days. So in short, you have 4 months in a year which have 30 days in a month. Next is February is a special month. Okay, so February is the only month, वो special month है, which month is having either 28 days or 29 days. This is only one month, that is exceptional month, that is February, only who have 28 days or maximum 29 days. Okay, I hope this you have been understand. So again I repeat, months of a year, there are 12 months in a year. There are 7 months in a year which have 31 days in the month. There are 4 months in a year which have 30 days each. February is the only month which have 28 or 29 days. That is why February is a special month. Now, let us see one easy method to find the days in a month. Okay, if you ask your mommy or your papa, they will talk. They will tell that how to find out the days of the days in a month with the help of your fees. Okay, they will tell to close your fees and see, this is the method with the help of your closed piece. Okay. So that black mark that is that are known as your knuckles. Okay. They are known as your knuckles. So that black mark, that is, they are up one. They are having 31 days. Okay. The black mark, I repeat, the black color on the knuckles are the days, are the months which are having 31 days. Okay. Now see the blue mark. The blue mark are between your two knuckles. Okay. So that blue mark are the months which are having 30 days. Okay. So let us start. And though February, as I told you, February is the only month which is not having 31 or 30 days, but it is having 28 or 29 days. February is the only month, I repeat, February is the only month which is having 28 or 29 days. Now see, the January, this is on the on the knuckles is your January, which is having 31 days. See, you can see the up mark, that is black mark on the knuckle is your January, 31 days. Then see the blue mark, that is down. That is your February 28 or 29 days. February 28 or 29 days. Then again up mark, that is black mark on the knuckle, shows that up mark shows the 31 days in a March. Then again blue color, that is downwards, is your April, which is having 30 days. Then May, that is your up mark on the knuckle, shows that May is having 31 days. Then June, again downward mark with the blue, is your June month, which is having 30 days. Then come again on your fourth knuckle again, that is your August, which is having 31 days. Then again blue mark, that is downward to the knuckle, that is September, 30 days. Then October, again black mark on the knuckle, is your October, 31 days. Then again November, 30 days, which is marked by blue color. Okay, that is your downward, that is 30 days in a November month. Then December, that is your 31 days. 31 days are mentioned by the black mark. Okay, so this was your easy trick to find out which month is having 31 days and which month is having 30 days. So, Bacha Party, you can find out with your own. Chalo, come on, try it on yourself and take help of your parents. Now, look here. There has been two calendars given to you. They are of same month. Only the thing is that the first calendar is of February 2020 and the other calendar is February 2021. So as I told you that Sunday dates are mentioned with the red mark. So normally February has 28 days in it. Okay, maximum 28 days in it. However, on a leap year, February gets an extra day, that is leap day, which is 29 February. That is, अगर आपका नॉर्मल February है तो उसमें 28 डेज होने वाले हैं और अगर वो February लीप ईयर है, what is leap year, that I will be explaining after some time. लीप ईयर अगर वो February लीप ईयर में आता है तो that leap year will be having one extra day in February, that is 29 February. Okay, so don't get confused. Normal February जो होता है, it will be having 28 days and the leap day or the leap year February will be having one day extra in it, that is 29 February. So why it happens? Why there is only leap year coming? So as you know, our earth is rotating around the sun. Okay, so it takes, as I told you, it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to orbit the sun. मतलब कि अर्थ को सन के अराउंड पूरा घूमने के लिए 365 डेज लगते हैं. 365 डेज मीन्स 1 year. Okay, so what is this? Actually, it is a geographical part which you will be learning in the next year in a geography period. So I just give a rough information on this. That is, Earth is revolving, or Earth is rotating, or Earth is moving around the sun. Okay, so when it is what do you say, rotating or revolving around the sun, there is a fixed orbit. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आज मेरा मूड किया तो अर्थ विल गो विद द लेफ्ट साइड और अर्थ विल गो ऑन द राइट साइड. इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग दैट. द अर्थ इज हैविंग इट्स ओन ऑर्बिट. ऑर्बिट मतलब उसका अपना एक रास्ता होता है. वो अपने रास्ते से यहाँ भी नहीं जाएगा और वहाँ भी नहीं जाएगा. सो दैट लाइट वाइट कलर अगर आप देख सकते हो, दैट इज द ऑर्बिट ऑफ द अर्थ. सो व्हेन अर्थ टेक्स 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to orbit the sun. मतलब पूरा घूमने के लिए, मतलब जहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट किया था वहाँ पर वापस आने के लिए उसको 365 डेज लगते हैं. 365 days is equal to your 1 year. So 365 days and 6 hours. So 365 days is your 1 year. Okay, 365 days is your 1 year. But what about that 6 hours? Where that 6 hours goes? So that means if we have extra 6 hours for 4 years, we actually have an extra day. मतलब कि वो 6 आवर्स जो है वो हर साल में आपको ऐड करते समय आप देखोगे तो 6 आवर्स आपको 4 ईयर में डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. ओके, so let us see how. See that 6 hours in your first year plus 6 hours in your second year plus 6 hours in your third year and plus 6 hours in your fourth year. Okay, this 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 makes your 24 hours. And as you know, 24 hours, that means your 1 day. So that 1 day is added in February in after the 4th year. Is that clear to you? I repeat again. The Earth takes 365 days to move around the sun, and 365 days plus your 6 hours. But that is not calculated every time. Okay, so what they will do, that 6 hours will be added and it will make 24 hours on the 4th year. So that is why leap year comes after every 4 years. So again they have told you that first year you are having 365 days and 6 hours. Second year is you are having 365 days and 6 hours. Third year again 365 days and 6 hours, and fourth year is again 365 days and 6 hours. That is जो लास्ट के 6 hours है वो सब आपको एडिशन करके आपको आंसर मिलता है 24 hours. 6 hours plus 6 hours plus 6 hours plus 6 hours plus 6 hours makes your 24 hours. And as you know, 24 hours makes 1 day. That is 1 day आपको पूरा एक एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है after your 4th year. So after 4th year, your 1 day is added in the February. That is why that year will be known as your leap year of February. So here there is a definition. What is a leap year? A leap year has an extra day in the form of 29 February, which is called as leap day. Okay, अगर आपके कैलेंडर में February month, if February month has 29 days in it, you have to say that that year is your leap year, or 29th February is your leap day. Now, how will you know कि that year will be your leap year? कैसे पता चलेगा आपको कि अभी अभी हमारा 2021 है, क्या ये लीप ईयर है कि नहीं है? How you will find out? So there is one method. Now go one by one. First point is there are 365 days in a year. Second, there are 366 days in a leap year. दैट इज एक्स्ट्रा डे. लीप ईयर में एक एक्स्ट्रा डे होता है हमारे पास, इसके लिए देर आर 366 डेज इन अ लीप ईयर. द ईयर विच इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय अ लीप ईयर इज नोन एज योर लीप ईयर. मतलब कि जो ईयर आपका फुल्ली, आपको मैंने डिवीजन पढ़ाया है ना, तो 4 को उस ईयर से डिवाइड करो, अगर उसका रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो that year is said to be the leap year, which is called as it comes after every 4 years. तो अभी यहाँ पर देखो, आपका 2004 के बाद आपका लीप ईयर होने वाला है, था 2004 के बाद आपका 2008 लीप ईयर था, 2008 के बाद आपका 2012 लीप ईयर था, 2012 के बाद 2016 वॉज योर लीप ईयर, एंड 2016 के बाद लास्ट ईयर जो हमारा हो चुका है दैट इज 2020 वॉज आवर लीप ईयर. सो अपकमिंग लीप ईयर कौन सा होने वाला है, दैट फाइंड आउट करो. चलो, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. दैट इज 2020, 2021, 2022, ओके, 2021 एंड 22. मतलब हमारा 2022 जो ईयर आएगा दैट विल बी योर लीप ईयर. दैट इज इन दैट February month you will be having 29 days. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे लिखा है the year in which the February month has 29 days is called a leap year. Now let us see one example. Now there is a birthday girl named Sonu. Okay, Sonu का आज birthday है. Today is the 15th of December. In the calendar they have been given 15th of December and today is the Sonu's birthday. सोनू का बर्थडे कभी आ रहा है? 15th of December 2020. So Sonu was born on 15th December 2010. मतलब उसका बर्थ डेट 15 दिसंबर सेम होती है. ओनली द ईयर शी वॉज born was 2010. So how old will be Sonu in this year, that is in 2020 में सोनू का एज कितना रहने वाला है? That is you have to subtract 2020 to 2010. मतलब आपका करंट ईयर से उसका बर्थ ईयर को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए जो आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी द एज ऑफ द सोनू. इसलिए दे हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट टुडेज डेट इज 15th December 2020. इट मीन्स दैट Sonu is 10 years old. I repeat, 2020 is her current year and 2010 is her birth year. So if I subtract 2020 and 2020, my answer is 10 years. That means Sonu's current age is 10 years old. Now some people date of birth are given in the table below. Write how many years of age they completed this year on their birthday. मतलब यहाँ पे 4 लोगों के नाम दिए हैं and they have been given date of birth. Okay, now there is a name called as Sarika, Mohan, Ahmed and Malini. They are born. Sarika is born on 18/7/2002. 7 means what? July. 18th July 2002. Mohan is born on 14/5/2000. 14/5 means your May, that is 14th May 2000. Then comes your Ahmad. Ahmad is 1/2/2003. That is 1st February 2003. And Malini is 13/7/2016. That is 13th July 2016. Now, what are their ages on their birthdays? मतलब इस साल उनका कौन सा बर्थडे आने वाला है, या फिर what is their ages? So let us find out. So according to their birthdays, their current age today now is your 2020. So current year is your Sarika now is of 18 years, Mohan is of 20 years, Ahmad is of 17 years, and Malini is of 4 years old. Okay, so I told you how to find out your current ages. I repeat again, your current year subtracted by your year of birth. Okay, birth year, you have to subtract this both. Whatever the answer you get is your age. Okay, so that is why 2020, I subtracted 2002 from 2020. Answer I get is 18. Then for Mohan, I subtracted 2000 from 2020. I get answer as 20. Then I subtracted for Ahmad, that is 2003 from 2020. I get 17 years. And I subtracted for Malini, that is 2016 from 2020. My answer is 4. So whatever the remainder is, that is your answer. That is your age. So let us do something. Observe the following calendar page and answer the following question. Now, in this, you have been given November month. Okay, November month 2020. So let us give some answers to the question. So your first question is, how many Saturdays are there in November 2020? Sorry. How many Saturdays are there in November 2020? Saturdays कितने आ रहे हमारे? Look in the Saturday column. 7th November, 14th November, 21st November, 21st November, and 28th November. That is 1, 2, 7, 1, 14, 2, 21, 3, and 28, 4. That means there are 4 Saturdays in November 2020. Yes, our answer is correct. That is, there are 4 Saturdays in November. I repeat, look at the table. Saturday के नीचे कितने आपके डेट्स आ रहे? That is 7, 14, 21, 28. Okay, there are 4 days under your Saturday. That means there are 4 Saturdays in November 2020. Now next question. Which is the first day of November 2020? मतलब नवंबर मंथ का सबसे फर्स्ट डे. दैट इज व्हाट मीन्स डे ऑफ अ वीक. डे कौन सा आ रहा है? व्हेन इज योर 1st November? 1st November comes on Sunday. Okay, 1st November is the first day of November. So on which day it is coming? Sunday. Okay, so Sunday is the answer for your question. That means 1st day of November comes on Sunday. Now next question, third question. Kavya was born on 12th November 2010. On which day did her birthday fall this year? मतलब काव्या का 2010 में वो born हुई थी on 12th November. So this year, on what day does her birthday will come? That is 12th November. See in the calendar, where is the 12th November? Yes, I got 12th November. That is coming under the Thursday. Okay, 12th November is coming under Thursday. I'll zoom it for you. See, 12th November 12th November is coming under the Thursday. That is why this year Kavya's birthday will fall on Thursday. That is your 12th November 2020. Yes, my answer is correct. Now, next question. What is Kavya's age on 12th November 2020? That means Kavya का current age क्या है? That is November 2020 पे what is her age? That I told you that you have to subtract 2020 and what is her birth year? Her birth year is 2010. So 2010 minus 2020. I get the answer 10. That means Kavya's age on 12 November is on 2020 is 10 years. Next question. What is the date on the third Friday on this month? Now where is the Friday? See the Friday. Now what is the question? They have asked you third Friday. Now third Friday, what is the date on third Friday? So first of all, let us see what are the dates coming under the Friday. That is your 6, 13, 20 and 27. Okay, I repeat 6, 13, 20, 27. So they have asked you the third Friday. That is 6 is your first Friday, 13 is your second Friday and 20 is your third Friday. That is on third Friday the date is coming 20. That is 20th. Okay. The third Friday of the month November 2020 is 20th. Okay. Thank you, students. Hope you have understood the calendar, how to read it and the uses of the calendar. Thank you.